guys, today we're gonna listen to the top 5 most annoying songs in the world, and let's go see how we react. It's my turn first. All right. All right, it's my turn. Can you be quiet? It's not your turn. Wait, what? What the? Annoying, isn't it? Yep. Yeah. So I'm making random sounds. I bet this is gonna be good. Can you stop now? Can you stop? Oh my God. Okay. That's not that annoying. Oh, that's annoying. This is annoying than Justin Bieber. I bet Justin Bieber's gonna be number 1. Go away! Just go away, please. Go away. I'm not gonna know what number 1 is. Oh no, I'm not prepared for number 1. Number 1, last one. Okay. Oh boy. Oh. I'm scared. You can trust me up in diamonds. You can trust me up in dirt. You can throw me like a lineman. I like it better. Alright, it is Connor's turn. Let's go do your reaction, okay, Connor? Connor, listen. Let's go. Are you okay? Ow, ow. I'm not your stepson, sorry. Annoying, isn't it? Yep. Don't do that. Alright, Connor. This one, Connor, just try to stand up, okay? Try to stay up. Try to stay up. Oh boy, I think that's a bit hard. What? They're jumping at me! Is this really how annoying it is? Yeah, please don't do this. Stop, please!